guys, welcome back. Welcome to the dream world of cooking. I am your friend Mique. Today we are going to make a simple ladies finger curry, ladies finger Theeyal or coconut roasted ladies finger curry. The list of ingredients are shown here. Let's get started. Heat the kadai and add coconut oil, then mustard 1 tablespoon. Wait till the mustard crackles. Then add chopped shallots. Saute it. Then add green chilies as per your taste. Saute it. La la la. Color of shallots changed. Now we can add tomato. Saute well and cover it until well cooked. La la la. In this time, we can roast grated coconut, chilli powder and coriander powder. Roast it. Let's cool it and keep it aside. Tomatoes are ready. So add some curry leaves. La 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 la. Saute well, saute well, saute well. Grind all roasted items. Ready. Cool it and keep it aside. After tomatoes well cooked, we can add lady's finger. Do you like lady's finger? I cut it into small square shapes. Saute well. La 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 la. Cover it until well cooked. Now it's all combined well. Add grinded mix with little water as per the consistency you required. Add little water, not more water. Its consistency must be little thick, not watery. Mix it and boil well. La 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 la. Cover it. La la la. Open it. The boil comes. Good smell. La 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 la. How are you guys? Drink enough water and eat healthy food. Make a good way of life. At last, add salt as per your taste. Mix well. Which are your favorite homely food? Please comment below. Our lady's finger Theeyal now ready. Okay dears, we can eat with chapati and beans. It's awesome. If you like me, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Catch you later. Bye bye. Love you dears.